Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys in Facebook phone ultra power saving guys. How can we use? Friends, we want to use guys your Infomobile phone ultra power saving. So how can we on and how can we use it? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting, I scroll it out. Scroll it and friends, you can see guys phone guys. This power setting is tap here. Friends, you can see ultra power saving guys. We will tap here too on. So guys, you will have to give permission here. After guys, you cannot use guys your phone screen another app setting guys. Only phone messages calendar you can use in your infinix phone device. So like that guys, you can use guys your phone ultra power saving guys in your infinix phone device. And guys, you want to off guys, you don't want to use. So friends, you can see guys this quiet option guys, tap here. Are you sure to quiet ultra power saving? Yes, we want to off it. So guys, tap here. Automatic guys, your ultra power saving will off guys. You can check here guys, ultra power saving is off. You want to use, you will have to again give permission and you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video.